Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by orienting the plan. Find the north arrow and the scale so you can translate measurements to real distances. Once done, consult the legend to decode symbols and abbreviations. This avoids misreading doors as windows. Then trace exterior walls and main entries to establish the building footprint. Make sure to mark fixed features, stairs, elevators, plumbing risers, because they anchor the rest of your reading and guide subsequent measurements and layout decisions. You now measure and interpret. Use the plan's scale to convert line lengths into real-world units so dimensions make sense. While measuring, read wall types, load versus partition, because they affect changes. Next, note door swings and window placements to understand circulation and daylight. Also inspect symbols for plumbing and electrical fixtures. They explain function and constraints. As you translate lines into usable space, visualize furniture and flow to check whether rooms meet intended use and clearance requirements. You finish by validating. Cross-check critical dimensions, door clearances, and any code or note callouts so nothing is assumed. Once verified, overlay furniture or templates to confirm functional layout and identify conflicts. Make clear annotations or red lines for any requested changes, and prioritize items that need architect clarification. If something looks inconsistent or unreadable, flag the sheet, reconsult the legend, and request clarification or a site verification. This single troubleshooting step prevents costly mistakes down the line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.